God seeks those who long for Him, who long for Him to appear. God seeks those who don't resist, obedient as babies before Him. God seeks those who are able to hear His words, accept what He's entrusted, and offer heart and body to Him. If nothing can shake your devotion to God, He'll look down upon you with favor. Oh, God will bestow His blessings upon you. Oh, God will bestow His blessings upon you. If you are one who, though noble, reputed and knowledgeable, still accepts His calling and commission. If you are one who, though wealthy, who, though supported by your, still accepts His calling and commission. Yeah. If nothing can shake your devotion to God, all that you do will be significant and righteous. Oh, God will bestow His blessings upon you. Oh, God will bestow His blessings upon you. However, reject the call of God for your status and for your own goals. All you do will be cursed by God. Yeah,